What is up, trappers? I am out here creeping while you're sleeping, and as you can tell, everything around me is wet. I'm getting rained on. It's coming, it's going. I'm doing a little work to the mini truck. We're working on the subs and that sort of thing. I picked up a few more things for this, some battery boxes, a couple compressors, that sort of thing. Hopefully soon we can get the color change headlights in and get the underglow and that sort of stuff in. I will be working on the subwoofers in here. I put the one 12-inch, what is that, a Pioneer in here. It does okay. I got a different box. It's gonna let me put two of those Pioneers in here, and we got some battery boxes. We can power this thing up a little better, and we got a couple compressors too. So hopefully we'll get to those things here soon. I'm really excited about getting the lights on here. This will look real nice, and hopefully in a couple weeks this thing will go and get painted and come back and be all sparkly and nice and lit up and be ready for the summer. And then we're going to work on the wheels. So I haven't decided exactly what I want to do there. We might do some paint. We might just pull them off and swap them out for something else. But anyway, guys, that's what I'm doing out here. I got to stay busy around the clock or I won't keep up. I have a lot of stuff to do. Right now I can't even get in the trap shack. It is full, guys, for real. Like, I'm not even going to show you. It's bad. I got stuff sitting out here on the ground right now. So the Blazer's packed full of stuff for its projects. The mini truck, there's not much room in that. So, excuse me, not a whole lot of room in that, but we're getting some stuff done, some progress. I like to enjoy that little truck. Here soon, I'm going to get it cleaned up and then put it away, put the cover on it, and it'll stay like that till it comes back from paint. But once it comes back from paint, it'll be ready to chop down and get the videos. But in time that that's gone, we'll work on the Blazer, get that in order. We got to go out and see Amos at Blackout Tinting on the 13th, I think, of April. I have to double check that date, but I'm pretty sure it's the 13th. So we'll be going out there to get both the trucks done up in tint. We have some mechanical projects coming up also on some of these, and definitely that air ride setup. So it needs updated, it needs fine-tuned, things like that. So guys, without further ado, my break is over. Like I said, creeping while you're sleeping, still out here in the rain, man. I've been at it since early this morning, you guys know. But anyway, we gotta keep on trapping. I gotta get off here and make things happen. Peace.